Hey everyone, today I'm going to talk a little bit about uh, the tariffs that US imposed on Canada and the impact of those tariffs on the Canadian economy, as well as in particular about the Canadian immigration, right? So we all know that, President Trump came in this week and has announced the tariffs on Canada. In retaliation, Canadian government has also induced the same level of the tariffs on the US goods as well. So there is a bit of a trade war that is going on. One economic effect that we have already seen right away is the crash of the markets in North America. I'm not sure about the rest of the world, but definitely the stock market in North America has crashed, right? And the things are very fluid right now. Things are very in the flux right now. The situation is evolving. We are going to see how the impact of the tariffs is going to trickle down on the economy. But one thing that the experts are very clear upon, and there's a unanimous consensus on that one, is that because of the tariffs, the economy is going to slow down. For the sectors where there is a direct impact of the tariffs, we know that those sectors will definitely be impacted. But we don't know yet what is going to be the trickle-down effect of the tariffs on the rest of the economy, right? How much of the slowdown the economy is going to have. Some of the companies in Canada have already stopped their production because of the tariffs, right? People have been laid off. And this week as well, the Stats Canada has given a report on the unemployment rate in February, which has surprisingly jumped. Most of the economists were basically expecting that the economy would add a number of the jobs, whereas in reality, the economy basically shrank quite a bit. So what does it mean in total, right? In total is that there would probably be more people who will be unemployed, looking for work. The government that is right now, we have, we are in the middle of the election season, but the government that we have right now has announced that, they will support the people who have been unemployed as a result of the tariffs. So we'll see how those programs will pan out as well. And lastly, when we are talking about the economy, I think one of the things which is going to be very clear is that, there is going to be a slowdown. As a result, what I feel is that it is going to impact the, immigration policy and the immigration decisions of the next incoming government. We don't know who's going to be the incoming government yet. We are in the middle of the election season right now. But when the elections are over and the new government is in power, they are going to assess the impact and they are going to come up with their own immigration policy. Or if the same government comes back, they might, do a little bit of a tweaking of a certain programs, or, they might enhance a few of the programs as they would like to drive the economy forward. So right now, there is a lot of uncertainty. There is definitely an economic impact on Canada and across the world as well. So we'll see how the things will evolve over a future period of time. I'll keep you apprised of, how the immigration policy is evolving and, which are the programs where the government is focusing in the next little while.